Everyone, so on my channel I already have a tutorial on how to make the half pinwheel with the template and freehand. What I thought I'd do today is I thought I would update with you with how to make the jumbo versions on the 6-inch template using 3-inch ribbon and have split colours, so half solid and half a pattern print. So like I said, this is your basic half pinwheel and we are going to move on. And like I said, I have my wooden templates, but you can make your own versions. And here is my little template guide. So this is what you would end up looking with. And you measure the width you want, so 4 inches. Draw down 10 inches, 10 inches. You want to work out the dead centre of your guide. So obviously this is 4 inches, so the centre is 2, so here, and I do half a centimetre over there, so I did a line up from here in the middle, worked out what was half a centimetre over each side, and then block that out, and that would be the cut out piece that you do. Cut this out, cut out your stitch guide mark. Put tape or sellotape down your edges so you can slip your ribbon off easily and you're good to go. And like I said, if not, there's a couple of suppliers that stock these in the UK and other places, so I'll put the links below. And obviously if you want to purchase the plastic or the wooden versions like the ones I use, then obviously you've got the option. But like I said, try it with cardboard first and see if this works for you, because it won't be a method for everyone. So I'm going to make 2. That's what I do. I never measure. Just so you know, if you did want to measure, this is 22 inches, but we're only going to use half each, so it'll be 11 inches each. But to check how much you want, what I do is I take my template, and this is a 6-inch one, pop that on, clip, and I wrap round in the pinwheel shape, which is this shape I will show you. Like so, and I cut like that. I like slightly longer tails, so if you wanted slightly shorter, you could probably get away with 20 inches or 21 inches and have shorter tails to work with. I always like just a little bit longer, so that if I do make a mistake with my angle or anything like that, I've got that little bit extra to play with to cut down, rather than, because obviously you can't add ribbon back on, so like that's why I always do slightly longer than some people might. But that's how you work out how much you need. And then what I do, layer them like so. Careful not to knock my needle and thread over. And we can cut those in half. And now we have enough to make 2 jumbo half pinwheels. Let's put that one out of the way. Heat seal our edges in the clear blue bit of the flame, not the orange bit. Now if you want to, you can use the B7000 or any clear drying fabric glue. You can use double-sided sticky tape. On this occasion, just so you've got a couple of different options and you can see how it works, I'm going to use hemming tape. So I want it to be as wide as my ribbon. There we go, bring that out of the way. Place it over so you can't see any of your tape. I'm just going to pop that there just for 1 second, because to seal this I use my hair straighteners. These are already warmed up. So like I said, make sure you can't see any of that hemming tape. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And there you go. You have nicely joined ribbon like so. It's not going to come apart and it's easy to stitch through. So that's what I use. Like I said, don't go more than sort of 2 centimetres because you want to be able to wrap this or hide this when you wrap your centre. So like I said, don't go much wider than that. On this one, we are going to take some 1-inch ribbon and we're going to do a chunkier centre. So it's not much of so much of a big deal. But obviously, if you wanted to make sure you could hide it with your 9mm, you would only want to go 1 centimetre over, which is why glue is sometimes better depending on what design you're doing. Okay, so line this bit up so it goes over your crease and you've got something to stitch through, and then we wrap this in our pinwheel, half pinwheel shape. So round. Just going to clip here. Clip here. I'm just going to tighten this up, make sure it sits nicely. Okay. As you can see, because I use a slightly shorter wooden template, I do have a bit over here, and what I will do, I'm just going to move that across a little. Like I said, make sure you've got that stitch over your stitch guide so we can get our stitch through. There we go, that's better. That's the dead centre of our template. And here we go, we've got our needle and thread, it's all tied off. And what you want to do is you want to start your first stitch from above. I'm going to do 1, 2, normally just evening my stitches up a little. Okay. Hold on, excuse me there, made a little error in judgment. Three tied off. That's better, let's start again. In 1, 2, 6. I tried to do 6 stitches on both sides to get 3 creases across my 3-inch bits of ribbon. Okay, so that's where my stitch guide finishes. So what you can do is take your clips off, and what I do is I wiggle my ribbon down until it's lined back up. There we go. So in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is 6 in total because it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and on the back of both pieces we will see across our stitch guide we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in total, and you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 over here, and your second and fourth stitches are coming over the overlap of here, like so. So once you've got those in, what you can do is cinch those down, and like I said, you'll get 3 creases on both of your pieces, like there, 3 there, 3 there. Wrap your centre like so. There you go. Wrap that off. And stitch off in the back however you personally enjoy. Put those up the way. And there we go. A nice big jumbo pinwheel, like so. And again, I take this over here to the corner, and that's 4 centimeters up from that side. And if we do the same this side, that's 4 centimeters that side, so they're both even. Okay, and your sides on here, each side's even there. And like I said, you can do whatever shape you like on your tails. I'm going to do a very soft angled curve. You want to heat seal this. And then do the opposite way this side. And like I said, you can do whatever shape you personally like. As you can see, they're fairly even though there we go. So this is your front. This is what the back looks like, and as you can see, we have got some overlap on the print on that side, but it's fine because we can't see it here. Okay, so we are going to put this one on a clip, and I do like slightly longer ones for these, so I'm going to use a 60mm clip. Just across. Across the centre. Yes, I did turn them off. Just double checking that I actually turned my hair straighteners off. Don't want to leave them. Heat seal on 9mm. And wrap our centre once, twice, open the clip, wrap round again. There will be a follow along picture tutorial in my Facebook group, so if you need any more help on that, that's available on there, and the links will be below in the description box, along with any measurements and, like I said, which ribbon width versus which template size I tend to use myself personally. But you can play around and entirely work on out what's best for you. So like I said, you can leave it like this. If you wanted to add a little bit of detail, what you can do is take a corresponding ribbon like so. This is 1-inch ribbon. And I'm going to need about 2.5. Let's just check. that round. Yep, about 3 inches, like so. What we do, this is a scrunch middle, so we make an S shape in this direction, like so, and heat that and pinch. Be careful. Then what you want to do is you want to do the S the opposite direction on this side. So this side we've got the dip, this side it's the opposite. And again, pinch that together, add a little heat in that blue bit, pinch, be careful of your fingers, and this is what you will get. And on the flat side you want a touch of glue just here. There we go. Take this, open our clip back up, and then we twist this round like so. You can get like that little scrunch there. That's a little bit long, so you can cut that extra down. Always bring it out the way so you don't set fire to your bow or cut into anything. Re-pinch it, bring it back round, and again you want the glue on the flat side there. Open that clip back up, and there you go. You get a nice scrunch effect centre. And like I said, if you have made a mistake and got the tail edge on the outside, this would hide that completely. So like I said, that's a little trick if you've glued the sizes, the ribbon the wrong way. So there you go. There is your jumbo split pinwheel. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hopefully you found this super useful. Thank you. Bye.